Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.1 official is not showing. So if you have installed any beta version, like if you have installed iOS 16.1 RC beta but the official version is not showing, then I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem, how you can download and install iOS 16.1 official in your iPhone or iPad. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. First of all, open your iPhone setting, then click on General, click on VPN and Device Management, and here you will see iOS 16 Beta Software Profile. Click on it and you will get this Remove option. Click on Remove Profile, enter your iPhone passcode, click on Done. Now simply click on Not Now. So once you have done this, close the setting, open your iPhone setting again, go to General, click on Software Update, and here you will get this also available. Now here is iOS 16.1 official. Now you can simply click on download and install, enter your iPhone passcode, then the official software will start downloading. So this is how you can get the iOS 16.1 official version if it's not showing on your iPhone. So hope you like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.